Hello children, welcome back again to class 2, English Poem 1. The name of the poem is Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? Written by Swapna Datta. In the picture here you can see a bird. That bird is called as cuckoo bird. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. The poetess is asking that, have you seen this bird cuckoo? And what is the color of the bird? It is black. So the bird is black, big, and also it looks like a crow. Although I haven't seen one yet, the poetess is telling that she also have not seen the bird till now. She has heard the bird sing. She has heard the noise of the bird singing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight. Now, what is this champak tree? A tall tree with many yellow or white colored flowers that have strong sweet smell. And hidden from our sight. Hidden from our sight means when something is hidden from us and we cannot see it easily. Because the leaves are thick and close, but how she sings at night. Now the tree, the champak tree has got lots of leaves and the leaves are also very thick and very closer to each other. We can hear the bird sing but we can't see the bird in the night. So here the leaves are very thick and close, so we can't see the bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Now the bird is telling cuckoo, cuckoo. The noise what the bird makes is cuckoo, cuckoo. It may be dark, it's true. Now don't compare the bird with its color. It is dark in color, but the voice of the bird is so good that not a single bird can sing the way how the cuckoo bird will sing. The summary of the poem is, the poetess hears the cuckoo bird singing in the champak tree in her house. She can't see the bird as it is hidden in the thick and the dense leaves of the tree. She hears the bird's lovely singing at night. The cuckoo bird seems to be singing about her dark color and that there is no other bird that can sing like her. Have you heard the cuckoo bird singing, children? Now let us hear the cuckoo bird singing. Hope you have enjoyed the poem. Thank you.